Connect to the power supply. Turn on the main power. Turn on the oven. Fixed value test. Set the temperature or vacuum pressure and then start the test. Temperature or vacuum tests can be conducted separately, and the test mode can be freely selected. The vacuum needs to be manually released. Set up the test program. Select the number of the program. Set the temperature, vacuum pressure, and heating time. Vacuum pressure, and maintain the time. Set the temperature, vacuum pressure, and heating time. Set the temperature, vacuum pressure, and maintain the time. Set the cycle period.